Hey everybody and welcome to Brain's new video. In today's video we're going to talk about the future of AI and we'll try to solve your this one question, that AI will replace the human or not. Before starting the video, I just want to say one thing to you, that now I don't need any thumbnail designer. Why? Because this thumbnail, and this thumbnail is created by AI. But in this video we're not going to talk about the pros and cons of AI, but I'm going to try to clear your this one question answer: will AI remove you or not? So from here, if you analyze it, the AI cannot replace a human, but the human can replace that one human who don't know about the usage of AI. So I hope that this one question will be clear in your mind. Now let me give you the example for more clearness. As a content creator, first of all I need a content idea. I can take it from an AI, ChatGPT. Then I need a beautiful script for that idea. Again, I can take it from the ChatGPT or Meetbar. Then when I shoot my content, I need an editor. Again, there's a lot of AI editor who can edit your content. Then after uploading that video, I have to do the SEO of that video part, optimizing that video for YouTube search. So I can do it from AI. I will write a description through, ChatGPT or Meetbar, and then I can generate the keywords on Rapid.ai. So the SEO optimizer are also removed right here by AI. And then I need a good thumbnail designer. So at the first of the video, I tell you that this thumbnail is created by AI. So obviously I don't need any thumbnail designer. But what if I tell you that you can be replaceable by AI if you knows the usage of AI? Like I already told you. So at the end of the video, I just want to clear this, that human can't replace by AI, but that one human can replace that one person who don't know about the usage of AI, how to use the AI in his field. If there's another person in his field and he knows how to use the AI, so definitely he gonna remove this one, mate. And at the last, I just want to say that AI is not dangerous. It's opportunity. You just have to learn the usage. And with your work, you have to grab the opportunity. You have to see to the positive side, not just to the negative side. So what do you think? Should I make videos anymore in the English, or should I switch again to the Urdu language? Now the comment section is open for you. If you agree or not, then share your opinion in the comment below. I'll be waiting for your precious opinion. Inshallah, milta next video. Tab tak ke liye keep learning and keep inspiring. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.